Today we are going to create halftone text, a style I often come across. So let's get started. I've already prepared the background. Now we just need to create the halftone style text. First, turn off the background by clicking the eye icon. Now, create a new layer by clicking the button at the bottom. We'll use the Shape tool to create a circle. Drag while holding Shift. Ensure you're using a black and white gradient, which you can select here. Also, make sure there's no stroke on the circle. Now, let's adjust it a bit. Okay, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Convert to a smart object. Next, go to Image, select Grayscale, press OK, and discard. Now, go to Filter again, but this time, choose Pixelate, and then Color Halftone. This gives us the halftone texture. Our goal is to apply this texture to the text. Before that, let's invert the color, Ctrl+I. Now, copy the halftone texture, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C. Remember this step. Now before creating the text, go to Image, Mode, and select RGB to go back to normal. Click Don't Flatten. Create a new layer for the text and change the color to pink or purple, your choice. Now paste the halftone texture into the text. Remember, you've copied it, so all you have to do is Ctrl+V. However, don't press Ctrl+V just yet. There's a slight variation. Hold the Ctrl key and click the text layer Thumbnail. This will select your text. Go to Edit, select Paste Special, and click Paste Into. This places the pattern into the text. Now, all we have to do is remove the black color. Right-click, choose Blending Options, and adjust the sliders. Now, we've removed the black color, and it looks perfect. Add a stroke, and there you have it. The halftone text style is created. This is a complex process, so let's do it again. Create a new canvas, File, New, set to YouTube thumbnail size with a resolution of 72. Create a new layer. Draw a circle using the Shape tool. Hold Shift while dragging, ensuring a black and white gradient and no stroke. Click the Shape layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and convert to a smart object. Go to Image, Mode, Grayscale, Don't Flatten, Rasterize, and Discard. Select the Shape layer, go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Copy the halftone texture, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, for later use. Now create the text. Remember to change the color mode back to RGB. Change the text color to pink. Invert the color on the halftone texture. Copy it, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C. Hold Ctrl and click the text thumbnail. Go to Image, Paste Special, and click Paste Into. Adjust it. Double-click the thumbnail. Remove the black color and add a stroke. Done. Select all layers, right-click, and merge layers. Repeat the process for the rest of the text. Remember, if you get confused, watch it again. And if you make a mistake, use Ctrl+Z for undo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe for more content. Support the channel by donating. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Oh, and remember, no refund.